In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Philippines SIM card in Japan. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Philippines SIM card in Japan is possible through international roaming. It is generally not the most cost-effective or convenient option for tourists. However, it is going to be doable. So I'm going to give you a breakdown on how it works and how to enable it. So if you have something like Globe, Smart, Dito, and so on, you need to activate roaming. For a lot of these, it is going to be automatically activated. If you want to double check, you can dial this number if you are using Globe, for example, so *143, that hash. And once you dial this number, you will see plenty of options. In here, choose option number 12, roaming. Once you select it, go over to roaming, so 12, then 1. And when you go into the roaming option, usually you will see this message, you are now on auto roam. Just turn on your mobile phone upon arrival abroad to instantly connect to a roaming partner. This indicates that you are ready to use this SIM card abroad, and you don't have to set anything up. It is simple to do, and of course, if you want to manage your plan, you can do that to see if there are more cost-effective options. But like I said before, for a lot of prepaid SIM cards, it is just going to be automatically activated, and you can check by dialing a specific number. For Smart prepaid, you typically need to text roam on to 333 before you leave. For postpaid, you might need to contact the Smart customer service. For Dito, you need to activate roaming via the application, and once you arrive in Japan, your phone should automatically connect to a partner network. In general, it is recommended to always call your SIM card provider to double check if this feature is available for you and your SIM card, and if it is, they will be able to prompt you on how to activate it or let you know that it is automatically activated. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Philippine SIM card in Japan. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.